Hey guys, me Misha, everything I say is not financial advice, my personal opinion. Let's continue. Sorry, I got distracted by a call. Just kind of like want to see what's going on. Maybe find something interesting. I'm a little bit, I don't know, worked up. Think lately. Not as excited as I was. Happens sometimes. You know, just keep on going. I'm gonna find something new. Maybe some new situations. Like, just breaks, buff. Just breaks and buff. Yeah, that was an exhaustion. Boom, 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 went up. Just a new transition extreme. This wouldn't have worked at all. Well, technically, it's new transition extremum right here. Practically, what am I gonna do with it? What am I gonna do with it? Leave it alone. Boom. That looked like an exhaustion. You see how much excited I am? I'm so excited I'm yawning. I have a night shoot today. 10 p.m. is my call time. Pretty nuts. Some music video. What's going on here? Yeah, you see, this volume was not good. An upthrust, but the volume is bigger than anything on this entire downtrend. And you see it doesn't go. Just doesn't go. Too much of a volume. Went up. Yeah. Went to this volume level and bounced to it. In 0.5, right? Pew. And went up. Yeah. Hmm. Again, this volume is too much, too big. It's in correction, of course. However, yeah, it's here. However, hmm. Yeah. So technically that was it. Yeah. And this volume breaks everything, I think. This situation also, look, what kind of break is it? It was bearish, so technically it broke, but practically. And this volume, where is it? And volume is down here. So it'd be very skeptical. Be very skeptical. Yeah, that's a break now. And it's continuation of the trend. But look how weak it is. Look how barely moves. Should be like super careful right now, I think. I just got out of, I'm only in Ford and Intel, waiting to break even on Intel and pretty optimistic on Ford. So I don't wanna get stuck in a stock if we are about to hit correction. You know what I mean? They're close to rotation point. Well, now technically it's way higher, but practically what if something like this happens? Like here, boom, boom, boom. Uh-oh. Yeah, this was the place to buy. So you know what I mean. Gotta be really careful. Really careful. And it can go, it can climb. We correct it here. We correct it here. Practically though. Just be careful and look on this volume. F. F. Yeah. If anything, anything, Russell 2000 looks the healthiest. Well, the thing it is so up high doesn't mean it has to correct, but just that's how waves work. So my point being, gotta be careful. Be really, really careful. It's here. Yeah, I'd rather see market correct nicely, but if correction begins, oof, can get nasty pretty fast. Look, what a nice exhaustion on Regional Financial Corporation. What a nice exhaustion. Yeah, the volume is there. The volume distribution is long. It's here. So arguably 640, 683, 640. So yeah, there was no level here. Levels were here, here, and here. Boom. Oh no, that's a up thrust, spring, and then spring again. Everything checks out actually. Volume, then bigger volume, and then small volume, and then it goes up. It's getting there. That's the trade I didn't take. That was the trade I didn't take. Wait. Oh. Just give me a sec. This volume is still right. This is bigger. Sure enough, that wouldn't have been a stop. Like break even. I don't do stops. Sorry, no stops for Mishka. Volume. Let's keep an eye on it tomorrow. This is bullshit. And this is like way too high. Well, after this volume, yeah, doesn't make any sense. Something like this. Doesn't make any sense. Okay, guys, I gotta go. Okay, let's finish this. Just give me a sec.